Hi guys, welcome back to TechSpace tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you the best alternative software for Internet Download Manager. So this download manager is faster downloading and absolutely free. You can really enjoy the features like IDM with this download manager. Alright, I am talking about AB Download Manager. This download manager is absolutely safe and free. If you want to check it, first you copy this URL and go to the VirusTotal website. Next, you can paste URL here. Now you can see the tool and website absolutely safe and clean. Now go back to the AB Download Manager website. Then you can see their features. Faster download speed, download queue, browser integration, all the features are provided. Okay, click on the Get app. You can go with the Windows and you can also go with the Linux. So I will go with the Windows here. Now click the direct download exe and the download will be quickly started. Then you can even download the extension. Don't worry, I will do that and show you. Okay, the file has been finally downloaded and I will click on it. Then you will find this kind of setup page. Click on next. Next. Click on install. Now installation will be started. It won't take much time. Now click on next and click on the finish. Your installation has been completed. Alright, this is a AB Download Manager user interface. There are so many options in this interface and you can try it. Now I will show you basically download file in AB Download Manager. First, you download the AB Download Manager extension. Go to the tool option and select download browser integration. Now choose your web browser. So I will go with Google Chrome. Then you can see AB Download Manager browser integration. Click on Add to Chrome. Now click Add extension. Okay, now you can see the extension has been installed. Right now, let's see how exactly it works. So I bring up any file to download. Let's download the Windows 10. So I have come to the download page here. Generally what happens, whenever you have to download any file, you click download button. Now if you make a right click on the download button, you will be getting a new option here. Download with ABDM. Now click on it. So you will find that the URL will be automatically detected. Now click on download. Now you can see file is downloading. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.